right, so if you want to do the clouds in the background, you're going to do the same idea, just have the same nice generous amount of paint on your Q-tip. I'm going to have these puffy, happy, cumulus clouds around. You kind of want to just make them almost like popcorn clouds. You don't want to have too many, and you don't want to have too few. You don't want it to be like an army of clouds. You want it to look very organic and natural. So you basically want to be generous with the amount of paint that you have on, and you don't want to make it look like an army of clouds. You kind of want to make it look like nice and scattered and kind of like no pattern per se, just balanced. Meaning you want to have a good amount but not too many. And again, you're doing like these nice like smooth shapes. When you look at the sky and you look at clouds, they don't normally, all the cloud shapes are different. So you don't have to try to make your clouds look the same. Some of them could be taller, some of them could be smaller. I feel like I'm just going to do one more in the upper left corner here just to kind of add a little balance to the one on the right. And it doesn't have to be symmetrical, but you just don't want to have too many or too little, too big or too small. You just want to have it just right. And I feel like I do need probably one more on this bottom left-hand side. Just a little one over here. Okay, and then you let that dry. And if you have some extra paint, you could go and touch it up a little bit to make sure the paint is nice and solid. It's okay that you have it on like a nice and thick, because you want your clouds to be nice and white. So again, if you have leftover, just go and touch it up so you nice, solid, white, kind of Simpsons-like happy clouds. All right, boys and girls. Hope you have fun with this part. It really is fun, actually. Okay, I think it's good now.